There's a real craze on social media for 3D documentary videos, and people are literally making them with free AI tools and earning a lot without any hassle. So I thought, why should my viewers be left behind? In today's video, I'll teach you, step by step, how you can make these 3D documentary videos using only free AI tools. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT, but make sure to also type GPTs with it. Now click on Explore GPTs. You'll see an interface like this. Here you'll find every kind of AI that can handle all sorts of tasks. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type 3D documentary, then press Next. You'll see lots of GPTs appear in front of you. All of them are great, but I recommend opening the first one because it gives you a main prompt along with 5 B-rolls, and everything is super accurate. You can even upload a reference image or your own story here. Now let's start with the second option, selecting a story. In the box below, type, "This is my story. Now generate the video prompts for this." Then paste your story along with it and click Next. It'll take a few moments and then give you a main prompt and 5 B-rolls for the first scene. Choose whichever you like. You can even try them one by one. They're all great. Now I'll copy one prompt from here and move to our next tool. But before that, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to like it and tell me in the comments how you're finding it. So our next tool is Google AI Studio. It's an all-in-one tool for photos, videos, audio, and everything. Now click on the Images section and select Imagen 4 Fast, because it's made especially for documentary videos. Here, paste the same ChatGPT prompt you copied earlier. You'll see a Run button. Click on it. It'll take just a few seconds, and your amazing image will be ready. Check its graphics. The visuals perfectly match the prompt, with consistent shadows and highlights. Now go back to ChatGPT for the next scene. Type in the box, "Now give me its next scene," then click Next. Again, you'll get 6 prompts, 1 main prompt and 5 B-rolls. Pick one you like, go back to Google AI Studio, remove the old prompt, paste the new one, and click Run. You'll see the results. The character consistency and graphics are excellent. In the same way, get the next scene from ChatGPT, paste its prompt again here, and check the final result. It's super accurate. Now it's time for animation. Go back to ChatGPT again and tell it, "Give me the animation prompt of these images." After analyzing for a while, ChatGPT will give you perfectly accurate prompts. Then go back to Google AI Studio and select the video option. Upload your image and paste that same prompt. Click the Run button. After waiting for about 30 to 40 seconds, your best quality video will be ready. Watch its playback. It's amazing. Now repeat the same steps. Paste the next image and prompt, click Run, and after a short wait, the video will be ready again. Now it's time for the voice of the video. For the voiceover, go to Google and search Minimax. You'll see 2 websites. Open the first one. You'll see an interface like this. Go to the Products section and click on Audio. Click on Sign Up and register using any Gmail account. Here you'll find a variety of free, high quality, and unique voices. Listen to their previews.
Picture this: moonlight, ancient castle, and a mystery waiting.
Let me share with you what I've learned over the years. My experience.
There's something lovely in the quiet bit. Soft breeze dancing through leaves, the delicate tinkle of Chinese tea.
And select the one that fits your video best. Then in the text box, paste your copied script and click on the Generate button. It will start generating your voice instantly. That's it. So, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first to see upcoming videos like this. And don't forget to tell me in the comments how you liked the video. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.